I had a viewer comment on one of my videos that I did about these harlequin bugs I had attacking my broccoli and my kale. And he said, you need to, what did he say? He said, gardening ain't easy. You have to deal with things you don't want to deal with if you choose to keep gardening. And I understand what he's saying, as far as we're all going to have issues with gardening. But the way I choose to garden now in my life is no, I don't have to deal with that. I choose not to deal with that. That's the whole point of the way I've decided to garden. My whole point of gardening is not to deal with that if I don't want to deal with that. I'm going to find out what works here and what doesn't. I've only done this 4 years now, and I'm learning as I go, and I've decided my way of gardening is going to be, my way. I'm not going to deal with things I don't want to deal with. I do not want to sit around and squash hundreds and thousands of bugs. He actually said in his statement, I've squashed hundreds, maybe thousands of bugs. Well, that's fine if you want to do that. I choose not to do that. I ripped up all my kale from this area right here. I don't have a single harlequin bug now, and I don't miss the kale that much. I can eat other things. I've got chard here. I've got beans. I pulled a bunch of beets today, some beautiful beets. Tomatoes are starting to come on. I've had cucumbers now. I've got plenty to do and plenty to eat. I don't have to struggle squashing bugs all day. That's kind of my point. My whole thing about gardening now at this age is I don't want to deal with that. And I don't have to if I don't want to. No, I don't have to deal with that if I want to garden. I can still garden. I just plant things that I don't have to deal with with killing bugs all day. And I don't want to spray. Obviously, that's the quick answer for some. I don't want to do that. I don't want to spray anything on my vegetables. One of the reasons I garden is to, make sure my food is safe. I admire the fact that he's squishing bugs all day and he's not spraying them. I admire that. But I prefer not to do that. I'll do without kale right now. Because my plan, I was looking at my kale seed packet. My plan is, and I stated that when I tore out this kale and stuff, because I made a video about it. My plan is to plant it here soon, later, for fall. And I know that kale is a cold tolerant vegetable, so I plan on planting it. Days to maturity are 30 to 60 days, so it grows fast and it tolerates cold temperatures. So I'm going to plant it here in the next few weeks somewhere, and let them mature when it starts to become fall and the days are shorter, nights are cooler. That's my plan. I'm sure you have your own issues to deal with. I decided not to grow squash. I decided that was something that I've struggled with for 3 years now in a row, and had squash bugs that just overtook the squash and made it a waste of time and water. But I did plant this trombolosini, I'm butchering that, I'm sure, squash back here in the corner of my yard over here. And I've got a big squash on it now, and I haven't seen a bug on it yet. So we'll see what happens. I have hope for that. As a older gardener, maybe you'll feel the same way. Pick your battles. Don't. I know myself, if I struggle too much with this, I'm not going to do it anymore. I'll just give up on it. So, for me, I'd rather enjoy the process and not have to deal with some of those issues. I know I'm going to have to deal with some. I know that. I'm not naive that way. Gardening can be hard, but I'm choosing the battles I want to fight. So the point I guess I want to make in this video is that I want to garden, but I want to garden my way. I don't feel like the need to control the pest just because I planted it. I want to control the way I garden and decide what's working and what's not for me. I don't have to do anything I don't want to do. Some things, yes, a garden requires some work. Some things, you're going to have to do some kind of work. But I don't want to do the things that don't make sense to me. And that's to struggle with something that just doesn't want to work. And that's the way you should do it. That's what I think anyway. You should do it the way you want to do it. If you want to do just a tomato in a pot, do that. If you want to go all out and do the homesteading thing and plant a year's worth of food, do that. If you got the energy. This is what I'm going to do for the energy I have at my age. And I'm not going to squish bugs all day. I hope you got something out of this video anyway. And I hope you check out another one. Maybe you can check out this video where I ripped out these kale plants and got rid of the problem because Char's doing great. Not a single harlequin bug in sight. Anyway, take care, and I hope to see you again. My name's Dennis.